Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. A small, tart fruit that is a type of plum, known for its dark purple skin and rich flavor. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as damson, damson, dam, son. Note the sound of letter C. Damson. It is rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. Damsons support immune health, aid digestion, and help maintain healthy skin. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about damson, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.